I've been starting to piss myself off with my procrastination. Like, I always say to myself that I need to get my life together. But how am I gonna do that if I can't even finish something like making fridge magnets? Riddle me that. Hi, my name is Jenna. Welcome to my channel. Sorry for the oversharing, guys. Like, geez, life of the party right here. I've been described as many things in my life, and life of the party has never been one of them. To be that, I'd have to actually, like, go to parties. Anyways, if you're like me, which you probably are, you have an ongoing list of tabs in your head of projects and tasks. I hate saying it like that. Tasks. That's so annoying. Tasks? That's also annoying. I hate that word. Sorry. An ongoing list of projects that you've started and never finished, but keep in the back of your head like, oh, I should finish that someday. I have many. A lot of the time I don't gravitate towards them because in my head, I don't see them as equally important to other things that I feel I need to work on. So I put them lower on my priorities list and then they just wither away. Bye. But I thought that if I made a video about them, then I would feel that it's okay to spend my time on them because now they're a part of my video making. I don't actually think that these things are worthless and not worth spending my time on. I just get anxious about how I spend my time, and you know, when you're working towards trying to make a career work, a lot of things don't feel as important to work on because my brain is always like, well, I could be working on a video instead. The point is, in this video, I'm going to be spending some time working on my unfinished projects and trying to finish them so I can remove them from my infinite list. So if you want to hang out with me while I embark on this journey, then keep watching and let's get started on our first project. Yay! Hi. These are my magnets. Pretty cool, I know. I made these clay magnets in July last year. It's actually ridiculous. What do you mean these have been sitting on my nightstand collecting dust for 9 months now? They literally have dust on them. Like, shame. It's shameful. I baked them and I started painting them and then I just never finished them. I'm realizing how easy these are going to be to finish too. Like, a few of them are pretty much done. I just need to finish painting a couple of them and then give them some sort of coat. I have this gloss varnish that I think will be fine, and then I will finally have some cute stuff to put on my fridge because she's been bare for almost 2 years. Not okay. Let's get started. I have these little cherries, and yes, I did make these with my own 2 hands. These are basically done. I just want to add some more detail on the leaf and the stems, and the back has some white on them, and these are like really dusty. That's really gross. I need to wipe these off. I made this— oh, killed her. I made this little waffle with little berries and some butter on it. This one I think is basically done. I forgot what this was supposed to be for a second. This is going to be a playing card with like a little heart on it. Right now it's metallic because at the time I didn't have white, so I was painting it metallic for some reason, but I have white now, so I will be able to go over this. And then I have this little envelope with a little heart on it. Also metallic, needs to be painted white. I keep dropping them. Or maybe I'll paint it light pink. That would be cute. A little paint palette. This one also I think is basically done. What else can I really do? I don't know. And then we have this little guy. Baby. It's like a little mug with feet. Kind of like a jelly cat. He needs a little bit of help, so we'll work on that. I wasn't sure what colors I was going to be needing, so I brought out a really big assortment that's kind of unnecessary now that I'm seeing how little I need to do to these. But the reason why I think I just never finished them was because I was working on a painting at the same time. Like I talked about in the intro, I was making a video about painting, so I didn't see these as priority, but that's really rude because look at him.
Hi.
Like,
How are you?
I'm a terrible mother. I hate being tall because I'm barely fitting in the frame right now, but I wanted my setup in it. But like, can you see how much paint I have? And it's unnecessary, but at least we have options. I like to have options. Oh my god, I keep dropping that one. Now I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. Do you see my problem? I'm like, I'm gonna set it up, I'm gonna do this whole thing, and then I'm just like, I don't really want to. Let's do the simplest one, which is going to be a little waffle. Oh. Do you hear that? This paint is rock solid. Oops. God. Oh, I did it. These paint jars I have are impossible to open because they all have paint crusted on the sides. Let me be proactive and peel it off. I need a tiny, tiny brush. As tiny as petite. Here we go.
Daring today, aren't we?
Cute. I actually haven't painted in so long. Painting is another thing that I procrastinate a lot. Or lately just don't do it all. Bye. I might have kind of ruined the strawberries, y'all, not gonna lie. Winter decided to come back. Girl, no one wants you here. My strategy with painting is ruin it and then fix it and make it look better, basically. I'm so tired. To fully focus, I need to play music, so I'm gonna do that. It literally looks like I'm talking to you from my corner of the insane asylum. Hey guys, I'm in my padded room with no furniture. Our apartment has no personality, okay? Sorry, there's literally nothing behind me right now. But what does have personality is my magnets. So let's talk about that. I spent like 2 hours yesterday painting them and finishing all the little details. And now I'm going to put some gloss varnish on them. This is the only kind of like finishing thing that I have. So I'm just gonna use this to make them shiny. And then I just need to order some super glue so that I can put the magnets on. Then we'll do the big reveal. But I'm just gonna show you. I have to. I'm sorry. Aww. Aww. Baby, don't yell at him, he's just a baby, okay? Oh my god. This is the stinking cutest stinking thing I've ever seen in my life. I gave him little hearts on his shoes and I gave him little hearts on his butt. Look at him. Look at him.
Hi.
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I ended up repainting the paint palette. I repainted it just like a bit lighter shade of brown and I redid the colors because I didn't like the colors that I had before. But here's my little paint palette. I put a little heart on it. Here's the waffle. Oh, I drop this one every time I pick it up. I need to get some grip strength because I pick things up so delicately. All I did on this one was just add some detail on the strawberries. And then here are my little cherries. I tried to make them look kind of cartoony. Here's my envelope. I made it pink. I couldn't help myself. I had to make it pink. I'm sorry. My playing card, I also added some pink. I had to. Sorry, I had to. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. I haven't ordered the magnets yet, so... Magnet? What? Girl, what are you talking about? You have the magnets. I haven't ordered the super glue yet, but I'm assuming it'll only take a couple days to get here. So in a few days, I will finally be putting these magnets on my fridge. So yeah, basically my day's going really well right now. I'm drowning him in varnish. I love him. He's gonna be the fan favorite. I will say that making myself do this for a video was a really good idea because to force myself to work on projects that I've been thinking about for a while and just have put off for so long, it's felt really good to be actually making myself do it because finishing these, it's making me feel super accomplished in a weird way. I think it's like the psychology of finishing things is something that makes our brains happy, especially when it's something that you've like had on your mind that you just put off. It kind of wears on your mind to be thinking about doing things but never actually doing them. And I feel like me personally, it makes me feel not good about myself. But now that I've done this, I'm like, wow, I feel really good. I know these are literally just fridge magnets. But it's helpful in the sense that I'm proving to myself that I can do the things that I feel I don't want to do, essentially. So if you're watching right now, I really appreciate it, and I hope that you'll stick around, and I hope that you like hanging out with me, because I like hanging out with you. If you're having fun watching this video, if you like hanging out, if you like fashion and crafty things and all the girly stuff, subscribe and leave a like on this video, and maybe even a comment. I would love to talk to you guys and just start to build a little community together. So if you wanna, no pressure, but if you wanna, I would greatly appreciate it. Look at that shine, look at her gloss. Her gloss is crazy. I'm gonna finish varnishing these babies, and then I will see you when we do the big reveal and we anoint them onto my fridge. I don't know if I just used that word right. I don't really know what that word means. Anoint. I don't really like that word. It sounds funny. Okay, I'll see you when I put these babies on my fridge. So, yeah. Girl, like really? When your boyfriend takes your car to get the oil changed and you don't have to? Here's my fridge. Here she is. She's bare and she's sad. She needs a little personality. Guess what I have? I have magnets. I've got an assortment of pictures that I've had on my desk for a while that I've always wanted to put on my fridge. So I'm going to see which ones I want to assign to which picture. Okay, I think maybe I'll do the mug on Miss Nola. And then I don't have enough magnets to do one each, so one of them I'm gonna have to double up. Maybe I'll double up these two because they're group pictures. Maybe we'll do the cherries. That one we could do the card. This one we can do there, the waffle, and then the love note. Yay! Okay, let's put these on. Something about this feels out of place. I just spent like 10 minutes rearranging them. If it really bugs me that much, I'll probably rearrange them again. But look how cute. Aww. I'm so happy that I finally finished these, and I have 5 more magnets left, so maybe I'll make some more. Because I think it'd be cute to fill it up with some magnets that don't have any pictures under them, possibly. I don't know. I am very happy that I finished these though, and I feel very good about it. We did that. Now I have cute stuff on my fridge. Yay! Comment down below which magnet is your favorite. I think my favorite is... Come on. This little guy is so cute. Or this one. I really like this one too. Yay! Why do you look so sad? I know, I'm sad the video's over too, but there's a bright side. Literally, my window is reflecting the light of heaven right now. I originally planned for this video to include multiple of my unfinished projects, but instead, I'm just gonna focus on one project at a time. So, that means there's going to be more episodes in the unfinished projects series. If you watch this video, you are contractual, how do you say that?
Contractually.
If you watch this video, you are contractually obligated to work on one of your unfinished projects. Please leave a like and subscribe if you'd like to hang out again in the future, and comment down below which of your unfinished projects you're going to be working on. Together, we will heal our procrastinating ways. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching all the way through. I hope you had a good time hanging out, and I will see you the next time I post. Bye!